Hi guys, welcome to Glady Tech YouTube channel. In this video I'm talking about how to convert your Ethereum to USDT on Binance. So if you want to convert your Ethereum to USDT, the first thing you have to do is to launch your Binance this way. The next thing you have to do is to tap on your wallet. Okay, on your wallet you make sure that it is on spot, then tap on Ethereum. Now the next thing you have to do is to select the kind of Ethereum you want. If you want Ethereum to USDT, you tap on it, USD. You can see the amount of Ethereum I have on my Binance. So the next thing you have to do is to tap on Convert, not spot, on Convert. So tapping on Convert, the next thing I have to do is to make sure that the first crypto at the top should be Ethereum, and to the crypto that I'm going to convert to should be USDT. So I'll have to search for Ethereum. So I'm looking for Ethereum. I search for Ethereum. Okay, so look at it. I'll just tap on it. Now the next one should be USDT, because you want to convert your Ethereum to USDT. So make sure that the second one is USDT. Now you can now tap on trade and make sure you enter the amount. Please don't forget that you can enter the amount spot from your funding wallet or the spot wallet or your in wallet. Any of them, tap on confirm. After entering it, then you can now tap on trade and complete your enter the code that will be sent to your email and your authentication app in order to complete your verification, so that the transaction will take place. So guys, I hope this video was helpful. If it was, do not forget to give me a thumbs up, hit the notification bell to always get notified anytime I upload a video. Thanks for watching.